Hi, I'm V and this is the Ratcheting Raven. Today we're going to fix a fuel leak on the 67 Mustang. So this is where the leak is coming from. It's coming from this hose that goes from here. It's actually leaking at the top side and running down and dripping at the clamp. So this is what I'm going to replace. Okay, so the gas has been drained, old hose has been taken off. Here's the new hose. And this is fuel line hose. Okay, that's snugged in place. Now I'll tighten it up. Now to get to this one up here. Alright, it's on there tight. Now to fill it back up with gas and make sure it doesn't leak again.